We are also looking into new business models because all of a sudden with the data, which is also provided by partners like Dun Bradstreet, we have the ability to look into spheres that we haven't seen before and then also look into creating new business for us.
Because data provides us insights beyond the obvious, right? And data, if you pair it rightly with experience and you embed both into your processes, you make better and more sustainable decisions. Data can, in the end, be a competitive advantage, again, if harvested, if governed, and if orchestrated in the proper way.
Data is most important. We have a lot of data. We are part of the resilience team and we are working with a lot of data. Why do we need data? We need to structure it in some way that we need to make conscious decision, okay? And also we need to improve the operational based on those decisions. So scenario making, data accuracy, and also trends to make the informed and best decisions for the business.
And using the data allows us being data-driven and smart, like we always tend to use, to do the right decisions based on analytics results better than gut feelings, yeah, of course.
Without data, you can't have transparency on all your processes. So this is really mandatory to be able to make data-driven decisions. So transparency on data and accurate data is crucial.
In this mountain of data, we need to find the value, find the optimization opportunities. Basically, it's not about data. It's about how to find the value or the useful information behind the data.
And you don't have appropriate data. That means data which are actually already old or not complete. Then you most probably will make wrong decisions.
AI will be the transforming technology in order to enable manufacturing to improve productivity. And we all know no AI without data. And this is why it's really important to know what you already have in terms of data, if those data are usable, and what else you need in order to really improve your processes and use AI to transform your manufacturing processes.
So data is key. It is needed for all parts of risk management and impact management processes in the supply chain. With the right data foundation, you can start the risk analysis. And with that, you have the right basis for subsequently analysis. So when you start with the right data, also the outcome, also the data-driven decision making is finally making sense and is giving you a good quality of data.